Many see waste as an undesirable leftover, something to be thrown away. We see it as a valuable resource that goes to make new products or generate green energy for thousands of households. By giving waste a second life, we create value and we help protect our fragile environment and reduce pressure on the Earth's rapidly diminishing natural resources. The Van Gansewinkel Group has been adding value to waste since 1964. Today, we're a leader in waste management and recycling services in our home market in the Benelux. And we're growing fast, providing our services throughout the rest of Europe. We're engaged in the total waste management chain, from collection to recycling to energy production. More than 75% of the 11 million tons of waste that we collect each year from our 150,000 customers is reused. Long before recycling became the hot issue it is today, we invested heavily in know-how and expertise, and this enables us to turn your waste into valuable resources. At the heart of our approach is the cradle-to-cradle philosophy. In short, this means avoiding waste altogether by giving it a second life. At Van Gansewinkel, we do this day in and day out. How? By applying a second skin, as it were, to your production process. We examine every aspect of your production and propose a tailor-made solution for the waste created by it. In addition, we look carefully at the requirements of your customers and come to a complete solution. Customer requirements can vary considerably, drawing on our extensive experience in different branches of industries such as offshore, automotive, chemicals, healthcare, construction, steel, and food, among others. Van Gansewinkel can offer a unique solution for each of your customers. The second skin formula covers all aspects of waste generation in an organization. Process. Where is waste created? How do we minimize it? And how do we make the collection of waste as efficient as possible? Administration. What are the relevant legal and regulatory conditions in your industry and the best way to comply? Van Gansewinkel provides you with the professional advice you need. We report on the quantities of waste, and our invoicing is tailored to your organizational needs. People. We can even relieve you of the whole waste management task by deploying Van Gansewinkel experts in your organization, from operational level to higher management, to help you best comply. Safety. Top professionals with know-how and insight into even the most complex processes, well equipped to create a controlled environment where waste can be collected and processed safely and securely. Waste residue management. The waste that is generated needs to be sorted and of a consistent quality. This demands expert management of the techniques and production processes. On all counts, Van Gansewinkel delivers, with a proven and sustainable business formula that delivers financial dividends and insight into all your waste management processes. At the same time, you make a structural contribution to sustainability. A proven success. Why does the second skin formula work? Every organization produces waste. Waste needs to be collected and disposed of. In most organizations, waste is treated as an undesirable byproduct of the production process. Internal systems are set up with an emphasis on minimizing the impact and cost of waste. Due to the lack of know-how and focus, there is little scope for improvements. Perfectly understandable, as this is not your core business. External suppliers are hired in to collect and remove it. Often these suppliers are selected on price alone. They are interchangeable. It's hardly surprising, therefore, that this approach results in very few environmental or financial benefits. Van Gansewinkel takes a different approach. We create value from waste with our second skin formula. Our engineers plot the waste streams to identify where savings can be made in energy, time, costs, and environmental impact. Traditionally, systems are created to collect waste at the back door. Van Gansewinkel's approach eliminates the backdoor approach altogether. We tailor our services to the needs of your organization so that they function together as one. This results in significant efficiency savings and a measurable return on total cost of ownership. The absolute amount of waste is also reduced, and what remains is easier to define. Our waste barometer tool provides a clear and measurable illustration of your organization's sustainability performance. But there are even more gains to be made from the second skin formula. We gain vital knowledge of your organization, your processes, and ways to streamline them on an ongoing basis. We remain engaged in the search for continuous improvement and apply what we learn to your benefit. Working closely with you on new ideas and initiatives. Updating our knowledge with the latest developments and research and applying it on a continual basis so that we move forward together, guaranteed. Our guarantee is to lower the total cost of ownership on which you will judge our performance. We do this by focusing on the 6 key performance indicators that help drive down total cost of ownership. Bottleneck analysis, improvement plan, instruction, implementation, measuring, registration, safety, security. Our people play a vital role in this process. Skilled, top professionals with knowledge of your industry that are driven to achieve concrete results. Second skin, second life. That's the Van Gansewinkel success formula. Success in both environmental terms and financial terms. Together, we turn your waste into something of value because there simply is no such thing as waste.